Step 1. Unboxing. Remove the foam protection and plastic film. Peel off the protective stickers on the new machine. Open the cover and remove the print head fixing protector. Push the paper pressure plates to both sides of the platform. Step 2. Install the cutting platform. Take out the cutting platform and roll holder from the accessory box. Loosen the screws at the lower front of the printer slightly. Hang the cutting platform onto the printer. Secure the platform in place. Step 3. Install the film roll. Prepare the film roll brackets, number 1 and number 2. Remove the 2 outer screws from the installation side. Install the number 1 bracket. Install the number 2 bracket. Unscrew the core clamp of the film roll. Insert the optical shaft and pass it through the DTF film roll. Attach the core clamp on the other side. Tighten the screws to secure the film roll. Install the damping shaft. Place the film roll onto the brackets. Open the side door, lift the paper presser. Feed the film into the printer, adjust the film position. And lower the paper presser. Step 4. Connect to the computer. Take out the laptop. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Unpack the printer data cable. Prepare the adapter and docking station. Connect the printer to the computer. Plug the dongle and the USB drive into the laptop. Plug in the printer power and switch it on. Rotate the emergency stop button upward to power on the printer. Final step, ink setup. Connect the waste ink bottle to the waste ink tube. Open the supplied ink bottles, and pour the ink into the ink tanks. Shake the white ink well before filling.